The journey to becoming an active life professional starts here. Active Life is bringing you the most robust and comprehensive education that has ever existed for health and fitness professionals. Run by our team of doctors, athletic trainers, and coaches, you can finally become the expert in your field you've been dreaming of. With twice-weekly calls, unlimited ongoing access to the Active Life staff, and membership in private networks, you'll finally have the skills you need to solve higher-level problems for your clients so you can earn the financially fulfilling income you deserve. With advanced skills like hosting your own seminar for lead generation to communicating with other healthcare professionals on a deeper level, you'll be on a clear pathway to becoming the subject matter expert your ideal clients want and need. The future of healthcare is in your hands. Become an Active Life professional today.